Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add wavy underline in Microsoft PowerPoint text. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to add wavy underline. At first, click inside a text box. Now I am select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and we can see here the underline option, but this underline is not heavy wavy underline. Now I am go to the font option and we can see here open a font window. Now I am select the underline drop down menu and we can see here mini underline. Now I am select the wavy underline. Then click OK. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.